Hey guys, you are welcome to Lufasi Nature Park. It's located at Majek, Lagos State, Nigeria. Actually, it's not a zoo but a nature park where people come, sit, meditate, relax, and breathe in fresh air for their good health. And today, Labour Party World K4 has come with a bang to wrap the year in a grand style. We thought it wise to come together to share, laugh, unwind, play games together, dance, and engage in an open dialogue that will benefit all of us. Yeah, you can see us frying the chicken, roasting the fishes, and here we are eating already. Enjoy with us. It's a kind of hangout for Labour Party World K4. Also, our end of the year party. Yeah, we came to thank God for the success of this year election. Yes, even though the election was rigged, obviously, we thank God for our lives and for the future of Labour Party.
Regardless of the phone. I thought the phone that gives you. Come out very nice. Snapchat. That's what you're saying. Wait. Where your makeup? See your makeup You go post
While the party is still on, we visited the rehabilitation center for animals. It has a lot of monkeys, pangolins, tortoise, etc. And there are several species of birds to watch in this park. So let's go. Okay, here we also saw these amazing and beautiful works from artists. Can you see the frame? Very beautiful. They are so lovely. Work of arts. Okay, you can see the monkeys up there. And this is me. Okay, here they have this thing that looks like Ojuju Calabar. So there are a lot of people come here to shoot movies, especially all these African movies. At first, I was so scared when I saw these images, but the man in charge told me, "Oh, you can come in. There's nothing attached. It's not fetish. It's not a deity. You can touch it. You can play with it. And there are two major lakes within this nature park. One is Lake Nora, the other one is Lake Moses. Okay, Lake Moses is the biggest and deepest lake within Lufasi Nature Park. This lake houses several fishes like tilapia, amphibians. Here looks like a shrine, but it's nothing. It's not a shrine. This is a great place for nature therapy, picnics, hangouts, and general relaxation. Trust me, guys. And in this park, they have other social amenities. There are no smoking corners in Lufas. Please respect that. Noted. Here they have children's play park, forest tour, football pitch, volleyball pitch, basketball pitch. There's a shop to buy drinks, biscuits, and water within the park. And also food to eat.
This one be a live video.
Now it's still far.
Seriously, like, what are you guys doing? Where's my
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video. God bless you all. See you in my next one. Bye.